In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your profile picture on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and if you want to change your YouTube profile picture from a mobile device, the first thing you need to do is open up YouTube app. Once you have opened the app, first of all you need to sign into your YouTube account, and once you've done that, tap right here at your current profile picture and then tap at your channel. You will be taken to your channel's page. That is my test channel, actually, just to demonstrate you some stuff about YouTube. So once you are at that page, you need to tap right here at that pencil. And then you will be taken to channel settings, and in here we are able to change our profile picture and our channel banner. If you would like to set banner, tap at that camera icon. If you would like to change your profile picture, tap at your profile picture in the middle, just like that. Then we can just use our camera to take a photo, or we can tap at choose from your photos to select one from your camera roll. Just tap at any picture, then on the next step you will be able to scale it, and then tap at save. After a couple of seconds, it says profile picture update successfully, and basically that's all about how we can change our profile picture on YouTube.